Hi everyone! So today we're gonna be filming another vlog. We are in World Trade Center, Manila. I'm with my youngest sister. I'm with my mommy. And we are in the Big Bad Wolf book fair. We'll just give you clips of what's inside in case you're curious. It's open 24 hours. Holy crap. It's like the Comic-Con of books. Holy crap, there's so much. What the hell? I'm so overwhelmed. Okay, so we decided to start from one end. We have a system and this place is overwhelming. They have dictionaries, mommy. Awesome science books. There's so many good buys. Like, it's a sketch doodle drawing book. Oh my god, seriously? It's this cheap? Holy crap! Oh my god! I don't know what this book is, but it's so cool. Look at the cover.
Oh no, they're about to.
For all the Game of Thrones fans out there. Freaking 230 pesos. Oh my god. I'm not even halfway through. I'm already going crazy. There's just really a lot of books and it's really overwhelming. Like, oh my god, I'm not even kidding. I'm back. Oh my god, that's yeah. So we had a hard time settling what books we were gonna buy and not buy, but we're here. We're finally here.
Up with so little. And I didn't get a book for myself.
This is my stash. I'm just saying it's a good deal. I could buy like only a few Funko Pops with this. Now it's time for us to eat. So yummers, kain tayo.
Yo.
It's so tiring to look for books, no?
Yeah.
Okay, now it's time for us to vlog the stuff that we got. First thing we got this. It's
Statistics.
a graphic guide to statistics. I like statistics. Second thing is this. It's a book I actually saw before. And it's only $3.90 here. It's about how Ed Sheeran wrote some of his songs. Actually, all of his songs from his last 3 albums.
Now both of us can be seen.
Okay, then the next one is basically a big narrative of how philosophy came about through the years. For Venice, we got her a dictionary finally, so she stops asking us what words mean, and so she can finally find out
The opposite of stuff.
the longest Sudoku puzzle in the entire world. Guess who this is for?
My favorite Star Darling book.
It's a 3-in-1 book, and it's only 190. So
Yeah, but I already have
soon.
4 books about Star Darlings.
Okay. Oh my god, you didn't tell us. This is the Magic Staraway Tree Collection.
It's far away.
Nikki used to read this also. Your ate Nikki. Next is the Book of Human Emotions. It's hardbound and it's only 230.
A Star Wars
book. It's only 100 and basically you have to fold it so that it turns into that. And it has quotes inside, so it's really cool. Next is another book for Venice.
It's a flip book.
We're gonna continue in the car. We got stuff from the Food Panda booth. Lol. I don't know how we're gonna do this, but we're gonna attempt to vlog in the car. This is for my sister, Nikki. If you're watching this, this is yours.
And I plan to bring it with me.
Next is this Star Wars book. I love DK books, they're really good.
Venice was the one who found it. I cannot believe
It's A
she
Night
knows who
of
he
the
is.
7 Kingdoms.
Do you know who this author is, Venice?
First of all, it's Game of Thrones.
Yes. We love GRR.
Okay.
Stop killing my favorite characters, please.
For my sister.
Next is for Peepsy again. Okay.
Which she will share
Because
with
we
me.
all know that she loves Frozen.
She loves Frozen.
Because she has a frozen heart.
And her favorite character.
Oh my god. Whoops, I'm sorry. Okay.
Okay.
He has
Oh my god, wait.
Okay, so this is
Oh wait, that's the word. search.
Word search. This is from my grandma. What do I call it? A doodle drawing book. It's the first thing we saw that we wanted to get.
It's so cheap.
It's 160 pesos only. And there's a lot of stuff. We only have a few more left. This is amazing, fantastic, incredible Stanley.
We love Stanley.
I was trying to look for art books, but this is what I found. It's the SpongeBob SquarePants experience. I love SpongeBob. I grew up watching SpongeBob. And it's awesome.
Oh my god,
It's really cool.
yes.
It's just really cool. Like maybe I'll do a flip through.
Okay,
if you
so
want
if
to
you're-
flip through like this video, we're down to our last book. And who found this? Mommy found this. It's The Godfather, the official motion picture archive. Dad loves Godfather. I love Godfather. Everyone loves Godfather.
No, I don't.
You're gonna get lots
the
of hate
choose,
from
the
that.
wins, except the fact that it was mentioned in You've Got Me.
I have the Funko Pop of this. I'll take a video later.
A cap?
I have the Funko Pop of The Godfather. Lastly, but not the leastly,
Leastly?
I like magnetic bookmarks because they stick around. Okay, this one says, reading is a novel ideal. Punctuation saves lives. Oh. Practice safe text. Use commas. They're funny, right? Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed our little trip and mini haul. This was just a random idea by Mom earlier.
Thank you, Mom.
So thank you, Mom. If you like this video, if you want to see more of her
Or
and
her.
click subscribe, like this video, comment down below.
Comment down below.
Where did your shades come from?
From there.
Shade.
Shade!